Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this NYX Epic Smoke Liner, which looked unique and different, and it looked like an easier way for me to achieve that kind of cat eye effect with eyeliner, which I can never seem to do with liquid liner. I'm terrible at doing winged eyeliner, but this sounded like a really cool different technique where it has a paddle brush on the other end that's supposed to smoke out the liner, and I'm really excited to see how that looks and if it's easy to do or not. So this cost $11 and it comes in a bunch of different colors, but I picked it up in the shade Nude Haze from Walmart. This is also cruelty-free and vegan. And so on one end we have a diamond-shaped eyeliner, which let's do a swatch of this color. Oh wow, the color is very true to the packaging, a nice chocolatey brown shade with a very creamy formula that seems easy to apply. Oh, and I love this type of brush on the end here. Let's actually give it a little try, see how it blends. It doesn't, right now it's kind of more like erasing than blending, but maybe it's good that I coat it a little bit in the product, because sometimes you have to do that with the blending brushes. Just drawing a little bit more. In order to make them more blendable, you gotta kind of cover it in the product first. I mean, it's a very creamy formula that is definitely gonna smudge, which typically with an eyeliner, I don't want it to smudge, but I guess this is different and it seems a little weird. I love to blend and smudge out the eyeliner on the lower lash line, but I never really do it on the top lash line, but maybe I'll try this out both ways. So first I'm going to go ahead and line the upper lash line. It does kind of feel like it's poking my eye a little bit. But overall, I'd say the pigment is showing up pretty easily. And then since I want to try blending it, I'm going to extend it out a little bit. Now I'm going to flip it around. I kind of have a bit of a wing line. And let's see if I just, like the photo shows, brush it up. The thing is, it's not giving a very like even fade the way it looks like in the picture. Like it kind of is, but overall it's like more of like a smudged look than the ombre look in the photo here. And I mean, my eye with it versus without it, it does give a nice little lifted, a little bit more glam look to the eye. I kind of like it, but it's not as impressive as I was expecting. Let's see how it is on the lower lash line. Then just gonna kind of blend. I do like that actually. It gives like that smoky effect in an easier way than a regular eyeliner to smoke out. Wow, that made a really nice difference when I smoked out the lower lash line. So look at that difference with it versus without it. I really like that. That really helped give that more cat eye effect, more of a glam look, but not too intense, a nice subtle glam. Gonna go ahead and line both the top lash line and the lower lash line before blending this time, because that seems to be the best way to wear it. And then I'm going to kind of connect the lower lash line with that wing line that I just drew. So you can see that difference of the eyeliner versus it's smoked out. I really do like the softened effect. But it is funny that when you think about it, it's just an eyeliner that smudges. And I guess for the top lash line, I only smudge at the bottom. It is kind of hard to blend though, in a way that doesn't remove it and erase it too much. And I almost feel like this brush is a little too big for this purpose. I definitely prefer the way it smudges, the way it looks on the lower lash line compared to trying to do that wing cat eye effect. But it's kind of cool. Not as, I guess, innovative as I was expecting. Not as easy to do either as I was expecting. But I do really like this as a lower lash liner. That's my preferred use for this. Not so much the cat eye wing, which is what I thought I would really like this for. But if you've tried this out, let me know how it works for you. Let me know if you found any good technique for using this, and if you like to use it on the lower lash line, top lash line, any uses that you have found that this is really great for, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.